सर पूजा नाईक म्हणटा की आपण पुलिसांक आपण स्टेटमेंट दिलेले
नावां सांगिल्ले आनी कोण अधिकारी इन्वॉल्व आहा ते सांगिल्ले म्हणून पुलिसांनी नावां अजून तेंच्यांनी डिक्लेअर करूं ना.
थोडोसो टायम पुलिसेकूय दिया. पुलीस तेजेर परत एकदा नव्यान FIR रजिस्टर्ड करून ताची सगळी ताणी दिल्या तेजेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करचें. थोडो टायम दिया.
मिनिस्टराचें नांव असून सुद्दां मिनिस्टराचें नांव येवंक ना म्हणून
दोन मिनिस्टराची आनी दोन हेंचे नांवां ऑलरेडी तुमी पुलिसाक दिल्ले खंय पूण पुलिसान ते चार्ज शिटान घालूंक नासले. कितें तर
पुलिसां म्हाका दिसता आयकपाक कान बेर जाले तांकां कोणा तें आनीक खास करून ह्या सरकाराक एक संवय जालेली आसा. दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज डेफ. दे कांट सी एज वेल when it comes to scams, the cover up by this government for this type of criminals and these corrupt practices. They have to get an award. Goa needs to get an award to cover up all these scams, because the scams and the cover up is done by the same government. We expect no justice to Goans. गोंयकारांक हितून justice आनी मेळटा मोठी खबर सोड. हे जॉब स्कॅम जेन्ना आमी विधानसभेन उलयल्ले हेजेर इन्क्वायरी जातले म्हणून मुखेलमंत्रीन सांगलेले. एक वर्सा नंतर जेन्ना आनी एक स्टेटमेंट पूजा नायक करता. These statements, when cabinet ministers are named, first of all, it is the moral responsibility of the chief minister to act immediately, and these people who are involved in the party should resign immediately out of shame. ये 17 कोटी रुपया एका ED लागोना, इनकम टॅक्स लागोना, कॅश जेन्ना इतले कोट्यांनी रुपयाचे इज बीन गिवन एज अ ब्राइब. आनी बारीक जे भुरगे आहाय जे भुरग्यांक आज ग्रॅज्युएट भुरगे जावं इतले दोतोर इंजिनियर आज घरा कडेन आहाय. दीस इज अ क्रिमिनल ऑफेन्स. दीस इज प्लेइंग विथ द लाइव्स ऑफ द यूथ. टुडे द यूथ is about 30 to 40% of the state of Goa within 18 to 35. Anik, it is for them to see how this government today is functioning. Poisha bhayr or sarkar cholona. Berga bhayr job medpak म्हाका दिसता मेरिटाची या सरकाराक जे ही पॉलिसी पडी हा फक्त लुटपाचें. So many lakhs of money has been collected, crores of rupees. For whose benefit? President BJP so म्हणटा Congress was responsible. आता म्हणटलो 14 वर्सां जाली. They are in ruling here in the state of Goa. What have they done? Is this the parivartan? Is this the change that Manohar Parrikar said? That job जरी तो तुका जाय कोट्यांनी रुपया तुका दिवपाक पडले ह्या बीजेपी सरकारान. And where are we heading? This is nothing but jungle raj. ह्या सरकाराक खबर आसा ह्या 27 their days are numbered and the people of Goa are wise enough. हेजेर एक judicial inquiry जावपाक जाय. We cannot trust this police because the cabinet ministers and the people in power are alleged to be in the scam itself or part of the scam. So there has to be a judicial inquiry to make sure that there is neutrality and the youth of Goa gets justice.
Okay, thank you.
It doesn't look like a diversion because few days back there was the people who were talking about the law and order and suddenly the job scam.
See, this is a government that basically is a comedy circus. They basically try to divert it. But today this is a serious allegation. एक वर्स जाले कसली inquiry जाली and जेन्ना she is naming this particular ministers, the charge sheet doesn't have the name, didn't have the names. This is why people come to Goa to create murders, to create rapes, because polisank या politicianak पैसे देऊन escape जाता. There is no proper prosecution in the state of Goa. The law and order has failed. That is why the people from all over the country, all over the world come to Goa not for holiday but to launder, to hustle. या गोंयांत तांकां इजी खबर आसा की जरी तो मर्डर केली, रेप केली, तुजी चार्जशीट वीक कोता. and this is seen by the numbers. The worst in the state of India, and completely worst is the state of Goa when it comes to prosecution. So failed Goa police today, and this is shocking that DGP should immediately act. आणि एक judicial inquiry into जावपाक जाय, and these people have to be shown the door. That enough is enough. Stop playing with the lives of innocent students, of innocent Goankans.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.